there, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. So after eating the dessert that Mamchunu poisoned, he starts coughing. He feels weak. He's like, Ma, what's going on? He falls on the floor. But Mamchunu just sits there, not helping him, just watching him die. And then Umshang walks in the door, running, saying, seeing lying on the floor. He calls the paramedics. And then tells Mamchunu to bring him water, but Mamchunu is bothered. And then they take him to hospital. At the hospital, we figure Doreen, what happened to my son? What's happening? What did you do to him? And then the doctor comes and we're like, Isimo is not looking good. Does not look good, but they're still doing tests. And then the family starts coming. They call Fakazile or Notonga. They come. Even Dumiso is there. They talk to the doctor saying, can you please save our brother? Even Dumiso is saying, please save him. We cannot afford to have another death in the family. And then Utonga, they start asking, ukhetha poison. And then bathi how Dorini now she finally got the opportunity. But how ma? Ndumiso, please don't accuse my mom like that. Atumshengu, what have you become, Mamchunu? You're like a snake that eats its own tail. But they shocked Dodong. I was like, Ma, but you go to church, you pray, what's happening? Akaswe Dorini, ati you all are pretending as if you don't know. Get out, all of you. Hambandla, abachoshe bonke esibhedlela. And then they all leave. Asale no Fakazile. And then the doctor comes and says, situation is looking bad. Uncubeko keeps on getting worse and worse. And then Fakazile starts crying. She is cursed. Why is it that every man that she dates or marries dies? First it was crazy, then Tutuga. Now Uncubeko is also going to die. What is she going to tell her kids? She starts crying. She's cursed. Case yakhona nje attacking the Shabalala boys. Ukhathazile, no, it's not, sis, you are not cursed. So bahlezi ke kwaShabalala uDonga noNdumiso noMshengu noMamchunu. uDonga noNdumiso, they can't believe ukuthi umawabo really did this. They ask her, ma, uyenzile ngempela yini lento? Umshengu athi ngithi umdlisa ushef anizwa yini? But pendula ma, I want to hear from you. Avuma athi yes ngiyenzile. But hawu ungayenza njani into kanje? Ubula umfowethu, our own blood. Athi uNdumiso, uwe ngempela lo ma, because Ndumiso usually sides with his mother, but this time around he was just shocked, couldn't believe ukuthi ngempela uyenzile lento. And then ahamba uMamchunu ayobona uNqubeko esibhedlela, afika axolise, asho ukuthi ngiyaxolisa, ngiyasola, it was evil. And then she starts singing old songs for uNqubeko. Aqale ke ahlangahlangana uNqubeko, ma ahlangahlangana kungena uDoreen is convinced that uMamchunu was there to finish up uNqubeko. Amxoshe athi phuma la, athi nami indodana yami, athi which one, the one you wanted to kill? And then Dorini says she wants to go to the police and report to Mamchunu. Mamchunu must be arrested because vele bakamshengu, they're going to try and save her and protect her. So yeah, Nanje, she must go to jail. Fakazile, I'm convinced not to do it. And then Fakazile speaks to Uncubeko, begging him not to leave her with the kids. Please fight. And then Umshengu talks to Mamchunu. Uthi how Mamchunu, where's when I was uNcubeko? You've never loved him. Athi ngiyamthanda baba, athi no, you've never. And futhi kahle kahle mina ngifuya inyoka la endlini. Ngihleli nawe lana wena ubhizi uyangiplanela, ungiplotela ungibulalela ingane. And then ahambe ke uMshengu to the esibhedlela to see uNqubeko, gets there and prays for uNqubeko. And then asaqhuleka uMshengu, uNqubeko coughs, avuke uNqubeko. He was so grateful, thanking God. And then uNdumiso leans on Utsidi. Utsidi offers her shoulder for Undumiso and says that she is willing to run on the rocks for Undumiso if he needs her to, while he focuses on his brother. Undumiso abonga he's just scared of he doesn't want to lose another brother. And then uThoba noSibusiso, they talk. Bethi uyazini, they hope ubabemncane avuke abe right. And then uThoba mentions ukuthi are you going to bring uDidi to the wedding? Athi uSibu, no, I won't do that. He's going to give her the wrong idea. Athi hawu sho ukuthi awusamfuni vele? Athi no, it's never going to happen, like ever. And then uThoba uhlezi on the rocks, busy drowning his sorrows on alcohol. Afika uDidi athi hawu, I thought they were lying, or you here, you kubile everyone. And then they talk. Athi uThoba, he's hurt about what his grandmother did. And then Udidi is trying to comfort him. And then Thoba decides to kiss uDidi. Umshengu noDoreen there at the hospital beyobona uNcubeko. Avuka uNcubeko baseselapho. They were so happy saying siyabonga ukuthi dad you are alive. Athi umshengu, do you remember what happened? Ngitshele mfana wami kwenzekeni. Athi uNcubeko uMamChunu tried to kill me. And then uFakazile azwe ukuthi uNcubeko is awake. She was excited. She went to see uNcubeko. And then umshengu phindele esibhedlela athi hayazi I feel so bad. I feel like it's my fault. Ukuthi wena ulele lana ezinhloko ela ekhaya. Athi uNcubeko, no, don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. And then afika-ke uNdumisa azobona uNcubeko. He apologized to uNcubeko. Athi uNcubeko, cha, I'm not the one you should be apologizing to. Kumele apologize kuma. Athi hayi, I'll go and apologize to Doreen face to face. And then baxolelana-ke, he even brought him inyama, saying, hey, ukudla sisibhedlela kukho mnandi, I know that. And then uNcubeko decides he's going to discharge himself. Bamnceke udokotela and the nurse, but please don't leave, please stay, uzokwazi ukuphola. Athi no, I'm fine, I'm going home. But I signed the letter ke ukuthi you're discharging yourself. Hambe-ke uNcubeko ekhaya, he gets home, enofakazile and his mom asho ukuthi yazi I was so foolish to think that MamChunu wants to make peace. What was I thinking ngempela? She could have killed me. And then umshengu wakhulume noDonga ukuthi yazi I feel like I'm dreaming someone uzongivusa athi vuka uphupha kabi. And then he goes home. MamChunu tries to apologize for what she did, saying that she feels bad. If Ncubeko had died, she was not going to forgive herself. Umshengu kwate ugwana incwaba athi yazi ngibhizi ngihleli nenyoka la endlini umthakathi MamChunu umthakathi angazi ukuthi how do you do that to someone ungane yakho and then leave him to die. Thank you for watching. And then uDidi no Thoba. uThoba uthi it was a mistake what happened last night, and then uDidi uthi it was a mistake what happened last night, but uThoba uthi it wasn't. He confesses his love for uDidi, saying that I was a fool to let uSibusiso take my woman. You are my woman, you know, the love of my life. And then he gave uDidi a job on the rocks. Umshengu bought a goat athi mele bahambe bayishweleza bageza umuzi kaNcubeko. UMamChunu uthena she won't go because she's scared. Athi umshengu cha uzohamba unesibindi when you were doing this. Namanje imele ke into yakho, let's go, you must go apologize. Bahambe ke benondumiso noDonga. Bafikele kwaNcubeko akhuluma umshengu ukuthi uzogeza umuzi wakho, you here to cleanse your house. Athi uNcubeko, so you think my life is worth imbuzi, my life is worth a goat? Hambani la. uMamChunu athi uyaxolisa athi don't even dare wena uDoreen, athi don't even dare Mthakathindini, you tried to kill my baby. Hambani la. Babaxoshe ke athi uNcubeko uMamChunu must face the law. And then uMamChunu ahambe ke kuFakazile to beg her ukuthi amkhulumele noNcubeko akwazi ukuxolisa. UFakazile athi angeke ngize ngikusize ma. Lento yenzile uNcubeko isihluku athi but you know how it's like to lose someone. That I do, but I never wanted to kill someone even when I lost someone. And then ahambe ke uDoreen noNcubeko baye kwaMshengu bathi bazokhuluma naye athi amtshele uNcubeko ukuthi hawu vele you really wanted to kill me, wahlala laphaya noma nginceka ukuthi ngisize, call an ambulance, wahlala wangibheka nje, waited me for me to die. I could just see in your face ukuthi enjoying this. If umshengu bengafikanga then kube sikhuluma enye into manje. So mina when I made him bathi bekuyiphutha asingabuyele emuva athi cha mina when I made a mistake I saved my time. So manje isikhathi kaMamChunu to do the same. uMamChunu must turn herself in or else uyazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. And then uThidi use on the rocks ubhizi uyatanasa athi ukhathazile hawenzani wena la athi I'm here to help my man while he deals with family stuff. Athi ngibone kade ngibone ukuthi vele wena nje you want to stick your claws in the family business. Ufunani ngempela la, so awuhambe la, this is a family business. Athi wena you're the older wife to the older brother, you're supposed to be putting the family together, not then to yenza busy causing fights. Athi ulo ukhathazile, I know exactly what you're the one who pushed Ndumiso to make me pay rent. Athi wena I'm not even here for fights. And then uSibu afike atshela uDidi ukuthi they've paid her fees. Abonge uDidi. Amtshela nokuthi his parents paid half and he paid half. Abonge uDidi. And then uDidi feels like this relationship noThoba is going to mess things up for her. Athi they need to slow things down a bit because she has a lot to lose. Athi Thoba how? But they've already paid Jet. Yes, they did, but I don't want to ruin anything. If they stop paying for me, are you going to pay Dololo? uThoba doesn't have money. Thank you. Hayi kuphitheno kaShabalala umshengu wants uDonga noNdumiso to go to Ncubeko and beg him not to press charges. uthi nje uMamChunu cannot go to jail. But uDonga noNdumiso, they feel ukuthi uma lento ayenzile is too much. She could have killed anyone because ubhaka ikhekhe. Like, what if Toba or Spusu said, eaten the cake? But they eventually go to Nqubeko's house, and Nqubeko's like, but this person wanted to kill me. Shogana nje ukuthi angifuni. uDonga feels ukuthi, hey, yazini, they need to just face the truth and do the right thing. And then uNdumiso talks to MamChunu, ethi yazi ma, can't trust you anymore. Uyenza kanjani into enje, and I want to kill one of our own. Athi uyazikhalisa uMamChunu athi nje awunanembeza wena. Ukhathazile-ke athi yena uDonga nje uzomsupport whatever decision he takes. And then Nqubeko has a change of heart uthi yena yazini uMamChunu made a mistake, Nama also made a mistake. So even kahle I'm thinking of not pressing charges. But Doreen does not is against this. Uthi nje uMamChunu must pay. Amba itshela uMshengu ukuthi yazini she must pay. It's time for you to support your son. Utata onjani wena? And then MamChunu goes to see Doreen. Let's talk woman to woman. Yes, I was struggling to forgive. That's why I sent Nqubeko. It's not that I don't love him, Jay. I just let Ilona to get the better out of me. But Doreen, things went south because Doreen ended up telling her, we are cool when you're just like your sister. And the thing that drove your sister to the mental institution, she realized uMchunu didn't love her, uMshengu did not love her, ubethanda mina. That's why she ended up there. But uMchunu feels like Doreen is the one that drove uSiswakhe to the mental institution. Actually, uDoreen umbulele. And then things go south. Agcine sehamba-ke uMamChunu bangasakhuluma ngathi yazini it was a mistake to come here. And then uThidi keeps on pushing uNdumiso to try and get On The Rocks to be fully his. Ngapha uSbu wants to go have lunch on the rocks, but uDidi is like no, because she knows ukuthi kulaphaya kunoThoba, so they can't go there. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.